How can I seal my silver to prevent tarnishing?
Hello, and welcome to our quick guide on how to effectively seal your silver to prevent tarnishing. Tarnish is a common problem with silver items, but fortunately, there are effective ways to prevent it. Today, we'll guide you through a simple, yet effective method to keep your silver shiny and tarnish-free.
Why does silver tarnish?
Before diving into the solution, let's understand the problem. Silver tarnishes due to its reaction with sulfur compounds in the air, leading to the formation of silver sulfide, a black compound that appears as a layer over your silver items. Although it doesn't harm the silver underneath, it does affect the item's luster and beauty.
Gathering your supplies.
To seal your silver, you'll need a few things: a clean, dry cloth, isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol, a silver cleaning solution, available at most jewelry or department stores, clear, protective coating specifically designed for silver, like a lacquer or a specialized product like Protect-A-Clear or Renaissance Wax.
Cleaning your silver.
Before you can seal your silver, it needs to be perfectly clean. Use a silver cleaning solution to remove any existing tarnish. After applying the cleaner following its instructions, rinse your silver thoroughly with warm water and then dry it completely. It's essential to remove all water, as trapped water under the sealant can cause more problems down the line.
Preparing the silver for sealing.
Next, lightly wipe the surface of the silver with isopropyl alcohol. This will ensure that the surface is completely clean and ready for the sealant. Allow the alcohol to completely evaporate.
Applying the sealant.
Once the silver is clean and dry, apply the protective coating according to the manufacturer's instructions. This might involve brushing it on, or in the case of a spray, applying it in a well-ventilated area with even coats. Always allow the sealant to dry fully between coats if multiple coats are necessary, and before handling the silver item again. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can effectively seal your silver to prevent tarnishing. Remember, the key is to start with a clean, dry piece and to apply your sealant evenly. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Keep your silver shining bright,